sweet pumpkins, how are you? I hope you're doing great. So guess what I got today in the mail? It's my ice cream beauty box for the month of October. The post office always writes usually on top of the box, I don't know why, but I'm super excited to see what I got. And the card, this month's theme is October Scream Queen. Perfect fitting. So let's see. Oh, I see something that I like and I know that I love. This is the Ofra highlighter, and Ofra has one of the best highlighters out there that I love, and they're very long lasting. This one's in shade Rodeo Drive, and this is the highlighter anniversary edition by Ofra Cosmetics. It retails for $22, and it says this is Ofra's #1 fan favorite champagne highlighter. It's made with a liquid to baked formula, and it is never cakey or powdery. That's true, and shines on and on and on. It doesn't fade easily. This is a great highlighter. I know I'm gonna use this a lot. Okay, the next thing I see here is liquid blush by Delanchi. Let me open it up. Never heard of this brand, so I have no idea. I've never tried anything from them. This retails for $25. It says just 2 to 3 dots of this blush should be more than enough. This product dries quickly but creates the perfect fall shade when it's dry. It looks pretty. It's very pigmented. I would say less than, oh yeah, it shears out. Yeah, that's fine. I would say go really light-handed with this because it could get out of control. It's very pigmented. It's like a peachy shade. So that's 2 for 2 that I think I'm super excited about. Okay, see here like a green lipstick by Illuminati. This is by Illuminati and it retails for $20. It says this lip gloss is absolute magic. It appears green until you apply it to your skin. It will change to pink, but shades vary depending on your skin's pH level. The lip gloss itself is sparkly and glossy. Ooh. It's one of those pH changing colors type of lip products, which I still haven't had, I think, one in my collection. It's shiny. It has like glitter particles, I guess, but I don't see it change it at all. It looks clear. Let's see. I have the one that I have on has faded a lot. There's barely anything left. It has a scent. It's like bubblegum. Okay, I do see a little rosy situation happening. And it feels very hydrating and it doesn't feel sticky. I think I'm gonna like this.
A few moments later.
And I see here by Beauty Creations the Bare to Be Bright color-based primer. And it's called the Blackout. Is this tingling a little bit? It kind of tingles. This is a plumping lip gloss. It is. I'm gonna take this off. I read the card again just to see if it says anything about a tingling sensation or a plumping lip gloss. It doesn't say anything about that, and this came like this without a box, and it doesn't say anything either. I'm assuming it's one of those plumping lip glosses, or I had an allergic reaction to it. I don't know, but it was tingling a lot, and before it started to get worse, I took it off just in case because I don't like those at all. My lips are too sensitive. So I'm not gonna use this. Back to the primer. The black primer retails for $5, and it says this is the most affordable item going into the box, but It is also a must-have for your collection. You only need a small amount, and it's all in caps. This can be used on your eyes, face, or lips. Our favorite application is on the eyes as an eyeshadow primer. Black adds dimension to metallics, shimmers, and duochromes. So it's great for those shimmers to make them pop more, I guess. I'll have to try this out. And the last item, of course, is the palette. And I was super excited about this palette because this is a brand that I wanted to try for a while now. They come out with so many beautiful palettes, and this is their Graveyard Smash. Perfect for October. Look how beautiful. And let me show you the shades. This is what I have on my eyes already. I tried this out on a separate video. That video will be up after this one, a couple of days after this video, probably Monday. So if you want to see what I think about this palette and how it performs, stay tuned for that video. The colors are just perfect, not only for fall but for Halloween. Let me tell you a little bit more about this palette. This is the Graveyard Smash palette by Wicked Widow Cosmetics, and it retails for $36. It says this is a beloved indie brand by many. This palette features 4 mattes, 2 duochromes, and 2 shimmers. This is a magnetic palette that can be reorganized, and you can swap the shades with any other square pan Wicked Widow Cosmetics eyeshadow shades. So that's great. And like I said, it brings a mirror, and the shades look absolutely stunning. If you want to see the swatches, it will be in my next video. So those are all the 5 items that I got in October's box. I gotta say, I'm pretty happy with it, especially with the palette alone. I love it. And the Ultra highlighter, which is great quality. With these two, I'm super happy. I never tried the liquid blush by Delanchi, so I'm super excited to try this out to see if I like it. The black base primer, but I was disappointed in this, but that's just me because I'm too sensitive for plumping lip products. Overall, I'm happy with the box. Let me know if you got the same thing and what was your favorite item in the box. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. That helps me out a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.